In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new phone number to your PayPal account. Having an up-to-date phone number on your PayPal profile is really important. It helps with security, verification, and recovering your account if you ever get locked out. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the process, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Log into your account with your usual details, and once you're signed in, you'll land on your main PayPal dashboard. This is the summary page where you normally see your balance, recent activity, and any linked cards or bank accounts. Make sure you're on this dashboard page before moving on. Next, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings button sitting near the log out option. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This will open your account settings area where you can manage things like your personal information, security options, and contact details. On the settings page, you'll see different sections for your profile information. Take a moment to find the section that mentions your phone numbers. Next to that heading, there should be an option that says Add. Click on this add link to start adding a new phone number to your account. A new screen or panel will open where you can enter your phone details. Click into the field provided for the phone number and carefully type in your digits. Make sure you've selected the correct country code if that option is available, and double check the number you've entered so you don't run into verification issues later. Just below the number field, you'll see a drop-down menu that lets you choose what type of phone number you're adding. Click the drop-down and select whether this is a mobile, home, or work number. Choosing the right type helps you keep your contact information organized and can affect how PayPal contacts you. Once everything looks correct, find the button labeled Add Phone Number. Click this button to save your new number to your account. After a moment, you should see the new phone number listed in your profile. In some cases, PayPal may ask you to confirm the number by sending a code via text or call, so be ready to complete that if it appears. And that's it. You've successfully